I'm a main guy, you just a portion. Fibers, you just a little tiny bean. Oh, you think you better than me? You just background powders. I'm way better than you. I'm better, and I have a spotlight. I'm way better. They'll flush you down a toilet. Have just like powder, you fall background powder. So I'm really easy or 16. You are just background powder. You are useless. You are useless. You can hit me with steel, but I'm Windy VR16. I'm a main character. Think you important? No, I'm more important than you. Oh, bye bye, little Ford. You awesome. I'm better.
I'm back.
I will kill you. Oh my god. So, main dying. Nothing you can do about it. I'm with EVR 16. I'm a main character. You are background. Your sky, it's not important. I'm way more important.
Alright, I'm just gonna leave.
Can no, you're not. Carrot. Please, like
I'm the main character.
you want to.
We hate you.